Okay, let's do a quick video on upgrading this guy. This is the Lenovo Type 20NE. 20NE or whatever it is. Okay, we're gonna upgrade the RAM on this. It currently has 8GB DDR4. This is a laptop I previously worked on a long time ago, and the owner of the laptop had Windows 7 on another computer. That's CSM partition, not GPT, so not UEFI, legacy boot, Windows 7. And they wanted to preserve everything running on this guy. And also upgrade to Windows 10. Especially, most importantly, preserve the programs that was on the other computer, which was a real challenge. Cloning Windows 7 onto this and booting this is very, very hard. There's a video of it, and you can see how I've done it. One main problem is there is no Windows 7 drivers available for newer computers like these. So it's a real pain in the bum. Anyway, but this computer has been running fine, no issues, but 8GB is not enough apparently to run certain programs. No problem. Let's do the upgrade and see what we can upgrade. Should be easy. Okay, so it's currently got power in there. What does it have? It's a Samsung brand. SSD 512GB. Okay, it's a beautiful machine. AMD RYZEN GPU, I think. RYZEN 5. I can't remember. No, it has AMD CPU. Sorry. Yeah. What's in here? Is that just a... Okay, so that's just a template for a hard drive. This isn't really a hard drive, so the actual SSD is there. One thing I will do for them is put in a traditional hard drive, and they're running a Veeam backup software to an external drive. I'm actually going to set this up too as part of the video. Okay, so originally I was going to upgrade the RAM. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in a this is a 500 gig. Now you may think, why put a traditional hard drive when you can put an SSD? Well, I've got SSD, I can put 1 terabyte, no problem. But you know how hard it is to recover data of an SSD? Nearly impossible, or most likely impossible. When trim is enabled, good luck. You're not going to get anything. So what I'm thinking I do is set this guy up as a backup destination in case the SSD dies, which I assume it will. I never trust SSD for data, never. I trust this guy more, even though the recovery will be expensive. You know, it's beyond my skill. Now, one problem is this guy wants a slim hard drive. Crap. Do we have any slim? Slim. We got SSDs. We don't want SSDs. OS X. that was the old one. This is the slimmer one. Yeah. Just to check if this guy is good or not. We'll bring up Victoria HDD software. We need a HP charger. Is that HP charger? Oh yeah, we got one here. I'll connect to HDMI so you can see what I'm seeing. Okay, that should be duplicate. No. Try extended. Nope. Okay. Is it working? Yep. Try duplicate. Alright, there we go. Victoria, I think that was it. No. This one. Okay, that's the external drive. Let's have a look at Smart. Wow. Okay. Wow, okay. That's crazy. Well, that's good. Not much. Well, this is good. Where is that? See, that's good. And reallocated sector count is 0. So zero sector is going bad. That's fantastic. This guy had a good time. Okay, so we can use this drive. This is the way I like to format drives. Here we go, disk part. I don't even know what's on this. Acer, okay. Okay. Taylor, what's Taylor? Okay, and how much data is in that? Maybe because there's no access. Alright, I'll just extend the screen for now, just in case there is some confidential data. Right, we need permissions access. Taylor. Okay. Let me see if I can find another drive. We use space is only 84 gigs. No, that's fine. No, this one I remember now. No, this is good to go. Okay. List disk. Select disk 1. List partition. List. Okay. Delete partition 1. Override. Okay, select partition 1, select partition 2, Okay, that's good to go. So this user is already using about 6 gigabytes with their program. So we're going to make the Lenovo become a 16 gigabyte and also set up to back up to this guy. Okay, so the way this guy goes in has to go in like this, and in, there we go. Beautiful. 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 All right, so what have we got in there at the moment? So there's power in the system. Ideally, you want to do that before doing anything. So they didn't go cheap on this model. They put a Samsung SSD, Samsung RAM. Nice, all good quality. 8 GB, 2666V, 2666. We got 2400. Let me see what else I've got. Wow, I don't believe it. I've got the exact same one. Cool. That's perfect. I didn't expect this. That's actually from another Lenovo, by the way. Some things are just meant to be, mate. Meant to be. Wow, I don't believe it. Okay. Okay. Make sure that's in. You can be tough on that. This is all industrial stuff. Alright, that's about it. And our system should be able to boot fine. Not going to touch anything thermal. Oh, I see. When you do actually use this, let me see what this is. So this is the proper professional way of doing things. Wow, okay. Oh, wow. That is indeed professional. Look at that, okay. Now it's not good to disconnect the battery like I just did in this case. Okay. I mean disconnect the hard drive. It's sticky stuff. Oh, this is really cool. I miss good quality stuff. I'm sick of those HP and far out. Those pictures, piece of craps, or those Dells, fake gaming laptops. This is nice. Look at that. This is really nice. This is what ThinkPads are. Should be. They keep on continuing. And this wasn't even that expensive, you know, just on a, it was a special sale. I think it was like 700 bucks Australian dollars. That's a bargain, mate. You don't think, you just buy. Cool. There we go. That will protect it from all kinds of static, interference, whatever. You know, you go through the airport, radiation scans, whatever. You know, anything to help it. That's what I call quality. Good job, Lenovo. Not like your idea brand crap. Okay. I won't put the screws in yet, just want to see if the thing works. It may not. Yeah, RYZEN 5, that's right. Okay, Windows 10 loading. I won't show you the screen yet. I'll launch the backup software that I use. Very nice, I do recommend it. And very simple, just sits there and does the job, no pain. Okay, I'll show you the screen. Right, we need HDMI. Make sure no other pop-ups. Let me see. Okay. Okay, so we're in performance. You know it's Chinese. Okay, nice. 16 gig now. So 13.7 usable. Interesting. So the GPU sort of stealing RAM. Ah, okay. It's stealing RAM. I didn't know that. Okay. El Bastardo, why is stealing RAM? This person is not even gaming. Okay, we might be able to fix that. Shall we look at that? Okay, just before that, let's do the Veeam. Alright, I don't know Chinese. I'm looking for disk management. Maybe this one. Nope, that looks like device manager. Disk management, maybe K. Oh, yep. Okay, let's go. Initialize new. Initialize new. What's this? Oh, yep, that's it. Let's give it another letter so they won't mess around. Yep, we'll call this backup. Okay. This laptop's for a family member. You know, you gotta look after your families with their computers and stuff. Okay. So that's the backup software. So want to go to job, edit the job, yes, and we want to change the destination to a Z drive. daily. Daily. So this user is annoying. Probably every day, but what time? Okay, let's do 14:30 during lunchtime. Okay, backup mode, volume level, yep, local storage, set drive, daily, apply to an internal disk. Okay. Okay. Okay, next. Local set apply. Yes. Okay, that's great. I won't run the job yet, but I'll show you, or we can have a look at the RAM. Let's see. Let's reboot into the BIOS. So hold the shift key and reboot. Okay, this one. Which one was UEFI? I think UEFI. God, I don't remember. Okay, I don't remember. UEFI. Any of these UEFI? None of these. Okay. Well, none of these. That means secure boot is disabled. Okay. Okay, Control Alt Delete. Or let's shut the computer down. And I think we need to press F2 or delete key. Let me see. F2 or delete. Okay. Enter to pause. F1. Okay. F1, you can't see the screen. Alright, so we're in the BIOS. Now we've got 16 gig RAM. Config. I don't have an option to change memory. Okay. Legacy only. Okay. Alright, there isn't an option to change the amount of memory the GPU will use. Okay. Alright, so we'll leave it at that. So this is complete. So we've got a computer running with Windows 10, 16 gig RAM now, and the backup software set up to automatically back up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.